Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to fill our tax informations using TurboTax for free, and we're gonna learn how to set up and all of the steps that we need to do and to follow to receive our tax refund. So before getting started, please, if you are interested, keep watching this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, you need to create an account on TurboTax. You can do that by going to turbotax.intuit.com. So click on create an account, and it's just you need to enter your normal informations, and you will have your own uh, account. So once you create an account, you will see a screen like this. So you need to tell, as they say, tell us about you. We will recommend the right tax solution. So as you can see right here, you just need to check on the right options that suits your or that are suits your situation. So you just need to check the options that suits you, and right here click on free edition. All right, so you can go with the premium one, which is deluxe, with something like $39, but I recommend for you the free one if it works for you. So once you click on it, they say that welcome, we are glad you are here. And let's click on let's go. So once you click on it, let's start by getting to know you. So you need to enter your name and the zip code and all of the stuff. Now, how did you do your taxes last year? So if you do your taxes using TurboTax, you can check this one, or if you chose other ones, just click on other. It depends on your case. So once you chose this, they ask you how are you feeling about doing your taxes. Just click on good and click on continue. As you can see right here, now let's talk a bit about your life. If you are single or married, check the right option. Did any of this apply in 2021? Just check one of this if you are doing, retired or all of this thing. So let's click on next, and let's get an idea of your financial picture. If you had a job, if you pay student loan, if you sell stocks, all of this, just choose the right options for you. You can click on show more to get more options that are within your case. So just click on next, and money doesn't solve anything, but it helps. So right now it says that from what you have told us, you might find this tax tips helpful. So for stimulus, here is what you need to know. It is a lot, some of this, but just click on continue and sign now, save time later. So once you click on continue, you will sign that, and like giving them the access to store your data and your information. Just click on continue, and let's start with your personal information. Click on continue your personal info. So you need to enter your name and everything related to you, all of the information about you. So let's confirm your marital status, single or married, just confirm all of this information. Click on continue. Do you have a children or support another person? So if you have children, you have to say yes. Or if you support all the person, like if you take care of your fathers or something like a sister or a brother or something like that, if you are paying money to take care of your fathers or something like that, or your parents, just check yes. No, click on no, and enter your current mailing address. So you need to enter your address right there and click on continue. Let's double check your address. just click on continue. Did you make money in any other states? So if you are making or saving money or doing businesses somewhere like in another state, you need to say yes, I made money in a state other than Minnesota or in your current state. If no, just click on no and click on continue. And here is the best filling status for you. So what do you get filling status? So just click on continue. And right here they will ask you to upgrade, but don't upgrade. Get total peace of mind with max benefits. So they just try to charge you more money and to sell you or to do some upsells for you, but just say don't add it max. And you will kick off with your income. Okay, so click on let's get started. Now let's get your W2 info. So just if you work on your own or if you don't have W2, or just skip for now, just click on continue. And right here this says the W2 form that you can get to these informations because you're gonna need them to enter them in another form. So as you can see right here, let's start with some info from this W2. So this form that you have. So now right here you need to enter your EIN, which is the employment identification number. Just type it in correctly and type continue. So now you have two options. You can type this information yourself, or you can upload this form. This option is more easier because you just upload it, or if you want to type it, just type it in the form. So as you can see right here, if you choose to type it yourself, you need to start filling out of these informations, of the required information right there. If there are some blank information, something like you don't have some employer name line 2, it's an optional, so you don't have to input it to fill it right there if you don't have it in your form. So click on continue. After entering all of these informations, make sure to enter the right informations. Click on continue, and as you can see right here on the screen, on the left corner at the top, you can see that the federal refund shows up that you are able to get $1,900 as a refund at the current information. So just click on continue. More informations, just check the right ones for you and click on continue. More questions, your income. So right now here's the tab. You need to start these two other options or required informations and just fill them using your own informations. Did you receive any interest, income, and all of this stuff? So you need just to make sure. The second one as well, just click on start and enter some informations, and after filling out this information, you will see this screen right here. You are doing awesome, continue, and now they will ask you again to upgrade, but just go with continue. If you want to upgrade later, you can chat with the support and they will upgrade your plan. Click on continue and you are affected by a natural disaster. Okay, just click on continue. Did you acquire, sell, or exchange any virtual currencies? Just answer with in your case. So we'll check for any tax breaks. So this tax breaks, as you can see right here. More other questions, just make sure to fill in the right information about you and click on continue. And as you can see, based on what you just told us, the standard deduction is best for you. So okay, sounds good. More questions, as you can see right here, because these questions will help your refund to go up or down. So based on these questions, they will decide the right amount of money that you will get in your refund or in your tax refund. And start this one, which is the second traditional and road AIL contribution. Start and answer some questions and your tax breaks. So great, well, all done with tax breaks, and click on continue and get the tax break for donating cash to charity. Click 0 if you don't do that, and click on continue, and let's see if you qualify for income tax situation. Let's get started. More questions again, and that's all what we need. Click on let's go, and did we get third stimulus payment? If yes or no, just type the right question as I said and enter the form, continue, and you can upload the form as well or just enter it directly, and your tax breaks wrap them. And then great, you are all done with tax breaks. Continue and get tax break for donating cash to charity. Did just double check your informations, double checking, hit up, you have coming. Alright, so click on continue. Let's get your state tax. So now you complete the federal part, and now it is the state tax. So click on continue as they ask you as again to upgrade, but don't add it max. Click on don't add max, and right here well done, just enter the right information. Click on continue. We got just 3 more steps, and as you can see right here it's just 3 more steps. So review your order, click on just to review your order and to confirm it, and your refund info as well, and get ready to save and file your returns. That was everything. I hope you get some value from this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.